Are you still wasting hours on document manual entry, hunting through filing cabinets? Your documents are holding your business back. Discover our AI Document Processing System with advanced OCR technology. Our AI automatically classifies any document, including forms, CVs, certificates, payslips, business cards, and invoices. It reads typed and handwritten text in multiple languages, including traditional Chinese, with over 95% accuracy for typed, 90% for handwriting, and 99% for checkboxes. Best of all, you decide what information matters most and get fully customizable extraction and summaries in various layouts. Drop any batch of files, you can get one perfect, fully standardized Excel in seconds. No delays, no errors, no wasted effort. Just results. Smart OCR. Turn every document into efficiency.